Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got Misa, Kevin, and Kennedy. No one wants to be on camera today.
What's up everybody?
So Misa doesn't even like energy drinks, right? At all. Nothing?
I mean, I like Red Bulls. That's fucking cheap
Red Bull?
Red Bull's trash.
I drink.
Go back to California.
Monsters are fucking
Okay, what's your favorite one?
Honestly, I haven't decided. So this will be a good
Okay,
test.
what's your favorite?
Bang
you still
all the
Bang.
way.
She's a Bang. I like Bang. Bang's my favorite, but I'm getting sick of it because I drink it all the time. But Pro Sups, this is their new one. It's called HYDE Power Potion. So this is kind of, would you say this is their...
That's the best taste.
That's their answer to Bangs?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the reason why these are better than all the other ones, because this Bang has 300 milligrams. This has 350 milligrams of caffeine. So these are a lot stronger than your normal energy drinks.
Why'd you pay $259? These are supposed to be $229. They might smart.
Shit, I got ripped off.
These are like $279, but we found out they're $250 now, and these are still $229. I don't know what I did.
So the Pro Sups is
You got
cheaper.
ripped off.
Okay, what do they both have the same of? They both have what? CGQ10, some bullshit carnitine.
Well, they're all no carbs, no fat.
There's no calories in any of these.
It's the same thing.
They both have BCAAs,
aminos.
CGQ10s. They've both got aminos.
They got super creatine.
So they're essentially the same, just HYDE has more caffeine. So, I mean, really. So let's pour them. Let's go. So Misa, he's a Red Bull fan. This is great. How much?
Come on. What is that?
Not enough.
This is
that?
a tasting, okay?
No,
I'm gonna
no.
swish it in my mouth, spit it out like wine.
How much caffeine's in a Red Bull? Like 80 grams, 80 milligrams?
I don't know. I'm
Some
not trying to
bullshit.
fucking diet it. What the fuck? Alright, if I do this shit, you're gonna watch Ant-Man with me.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
All right, so give us your honest taste opinion.
It smells good.
It's not wine.
I'm gonna treat it like it is. What? I'm gonna spit this shit out. That's pretty good, actually.
Ooh.
All right, give the bang.
I don't know. We gotta pour Kevin some too.
Well, wait. Why
You gotta do the bang.
Why are you using a different
Yeah,
fucking glass?
what?
Yeah, you just fucked up. No, you're gonna fuck up the experiment. Now we gotta get another glass.
What?
Yep.
This is why he got fired from Premium.
That didn't get fired from Premium.
All right, so Misa's gonna drink the bang now.
Shout out Daniel Premium.
And by the way, Dan, if you watch this shit, I will get Mitch's fucking little cheap.
This has nothing to do with energy drinks. Okay, so give it the bang. This is the bang sour heads.
God, that smells fucking
Does it really compared to the
yeah.
HYDE? Okay.
That one.
That's pineapple and that's sour heads. It's
I know, but
two
sour is one of the
different-
most popular flavors. We're picking the most popular flavors.
Ooh. That froth.
Okay.
That's good. Now there's different flavors. Bang has more flavors. HYDE only has the two.
I tried the cotton
No,
candy bang, and
we
that
got
shit was
four.
fucking disgusting.
Well, yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's too
different.
sweet.
That's why I picked sour heads because it's the most popular flavor out right now.
No, I think HYDE has fruit punch was fucking gross.
Where we're at, HYDE only has the two flavors: the pineapple cooler and the frost
I
blast
think
or
the
something.
pineapple's really good.
Pineapple's really good. All right, so pick one. You got to pick one. Actually, we'll wait till the end. You can't drink anymore.
I'm confused. Which one's which?
This is HYDE and this is bang.
You're mixing the palate. You're fucking up your palate.
No.
They're very different flavors.
Don't hold your answer, Kevin. You're next.
Well, this one's a little.
Hold your answer.
I'm just saying.
Hold
the
your
bang's
answer.
a little stronger.
Hold your answer.
So we're just fucking using all the cups.
There's already fucking that in there.
No, this is Bang, you idiot.
No, it isn't.
See? I'm confused.
Shit.
Oh,
Get another cup.
this is the worst
Hold on.
experiment ever.
Well, here. Okay, there we go.
So here, this is. Let's save that for Kennedy.
No, I'm drinking out of the can.
Kev's already had both, so
So he can drink both of that, but I'm fucking on my palate.
I don't know. It depends on what kind of flavor you want more. That's way more sour. This is more like. I feel like I'm on a
It's
beach.
softer.
On a beach.
all right, Ken.
Yeah, I
Dog.
don't know. I mean, it really
Hold your answer. Hold your answer. She's going straight out of the can. That's respectful.
That's a bold move, cuz. Let's see how it works
Let's see how it plays out.
Trash.
What?
Which one, the HYDE?
It tastes like straight
So
sugar.
you're just
It's
a bang
no sugar.
fangirl.
She is.
Bang fangirl all the way, you know what I'm saying?
I bet she's trying to get sponsored.
Yeah.
That's not fair. You're biased.
Yeah.
She's being biased. You're out. You're out of the
Yeah, I am
story.
being biased.
Okay.
That's like me saying
Kennedy's
RS is
favorite
trash.
Bang flavor is purple guava.
Ew.
No, even the other HYDE flavor is nasty. It tastes
Really?
like straight sugar. It's too sweet.
I will say that when I tasted both, because I've already done it, it does
I
feel
don't like
real
even
sugary.
Bang has like the cotton candy's too sweet for me. I don't like
Yeah.
the sweet ones.
It's true. All right, Misa, what's your answer? This is coming from a Red Bull fan.
Like, who the fuck drinks Red Bull? Like, are they around?
They're the biggest fucking energy drink.
I don't
company
see you
out
with
there.
any wings.
No,
Word.
they fucking are.
Really?
Yeah.
Show me stats.
Misa, which one are you picking?
One stats.
I'm not sure why I keep smiling.
Shit, man. Let me try that one more time.
Oh,
Let me try
my.
that. Hey, you want an honest answer? I'm gonna give you an honest answer.
If Red Bull was out of stock, which one of these would you pick?
Man, I'd probably go with the Bang.
Oh, shit.
Just
There's a
that
Bang
one
right
is-
there.
That one is really sweet.
It feels
it's
like
softer
sugar.
and it's sweet.
Yeah.
Whereas the other one, it's sour. It's not as.
I'll
Hardcore.
give you my scientific opinion.
Scientific opinion coming from Kevin. We got one
Okay, so
Bang.
since I work really early in the morning, right? Having something sour, I feel like wakes me up more. Whereas something that's not as sour,
It's
I
true.
feel
It
like
makes
that's
it
better
chill.
during the day. If you're trying to wake up real early, get the Bang. But this has more caffeine.
50 milligrams more, which is a lot.
That's a lot.
Kennedy?
Bang all the way, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna go with HYDE because I've been drinking Bang a lot lately. I'm going with HYDE. The HYDE definitely has a sugary taste to it, but there's no sugar in it.
But that's the point. People like sugar.
Yeah.
Red Bull. Then Monster, then Rockstar, then Nas. Not this cheap ass shit.
These are newer, and this
Yeah.
is a different
I don't give a
market.
fuck.
You can't count those.
But so Monster has 88 milligrams per serving. So does Zion. So does Red Bull. They're all the same. These are on a whole nother level. Whole nother level.
Alright, well, for my little heart, man.
And so if you have a high caffeine tolerance, you want to be drinking Bang or HYDE, I recommend you go try them both, but I'm going with HYDE now. I've drank way too much Bang. Bang has way more flavors, but they've also been out longer. The HYDE's pretty new, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, HYDE's pretty brand new. We only have 2 of the flavors here local to
I
buy.
can't even find them in Lubbock.
Yeah, they're not even where Kennedy lives. They're only at the Drug Emporium here. But I used to love Bangs. I would drink Bangs every day. I've drank 3 in one day, which I don't recommend. They have a lot better flavor selection, but I'm sick of Bangs. I can't drink them anymore. I need a break. I'm sorry.
Cold brews.
And Misa wants to see Ant-Man. So, let me know what you guys' thoughts are below. If you haven't had HYDE, which you probably haven't, I know a lot of our followers have had a lot of Bangs because we promote Bang and we don't even get paid by them. I don't know why.
Branson, pay your credit card bill so I can charge your fucking
Oh gosh, another eventful day at the Van Voor's house. If you haven't tried HYDE though, you should go try it. I really recommend it. It's 50 milligrams more, so if you have a low caffeine tolerance, you might want to stay away from that one. But
Alright, let us know what energy drinks should go up head to head next.
and this is the other one. It's Winter Blast. This one's pretty good too. I like this one.
And then, also, guys, we're racing the Hellcat in reverse against my Type R.
Not true. Anyways, let me know what you guys want to see next video for reviews. We're gonna start doing more supplement reviews, and I've got one coming on the Ghost pre-workout. That's probably gonna stir some feelings in the YouTube.
Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, and follow me at VanV39. See you guys on the next one.